All right, folks, check this out. Right here, we've got the brand new 30-inch Toro personal pace Timemaster. Now, you can call it the Timemaster personal pace, dual force Timemaster, whatever you want. But check this out, twin blade system. This is what we're dealing with underneath here. We got blade number 1 and we got blade number 2. Yeah, we got the easy change of the front. One lever here will drop both wheels. One lever in the back will drop both rear wheels. So I just purchased this. I ran down to Home Depot. They didn't have any, so went up the road to another Home Depot and they had one. So here we are, we've got one. We are basically going to we picked up a few other properties, so we're doing a slight bit more small mowing than we like to. So I figured, why not pick up a 30-inch lawnmower? Now, I used to have those 26-inch X-Mark. I don't know if any of you remember those. The X-Marks, they had a 26-inch mower. They were pieces of shit. I bought like 4 of those things. My other buddy bought 4, and they were horrible. Horrible machines. But this, I've heard some good reviews on this. Pest and Lawn Ginges has got one. Old Freddy with Lawn Thumbs, he's got one. So yeah, we're gonna use it commercially. I know it's not made for commercial stuff, but we're gonna test it out, make some videos, show its abuse. I know Freddy with the Lawn Thumbs, he mows way more than I do as far as small mowing goes. But I'm gonna still put it through its use. I buy those Honda 21-inch mowers, the HRCs, and they fit me, work for me just fine. So anyways, yeah, oh, it's brand new. I just mowed my lawn with it. So stay tuned for that video. I'm gonna put this video out first just to show you my beautiful dry lawn. I normally mow this with my right lawnmower, and let's be honest, this thing is not making my lawn look as good as my right lawnmower. I'll link a video below, you can check it out yourself. But it's dry. I need to get some water on it. I'm gonna water it tonight. Look at my neighbor's lawn, I fertilized that one. They water, it's green, looks perfect. So the only thing I got to get used to is this personal pace handle. I'm not used to those. They're funny to me, but we're gonna make it work, and we're gonna mow some lawns with it. So yeah, like and subscribe, follow along. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe now. But I'm gonna leave you right here with that mower, and I'm gonna leave you with the view of this beautiful truck. But last and not least, I'm gonna leave you with this view right here. So like and subscribe, click this video for something, click this video for something, click this video for something, and there'll be one more video right here. Click it, click them. Click those videos and watch those videos, please. Thank you. Peace out.